Oatmeal, one of the healthiest and most versatile breakfasts out there, is a daily go-to for millions of people worldwide. But here's something you might not know. If you're eating oatmeal the wrong way, you could be missing out on its biggest benefits, and in some cases, you might even be harming your health. Yep, it's true. A few simple mistakes, like how you cook it or what you mix in, can quietly strip away oatmeal's powerful nutrients without you realizing it. Are you pairing it with the right ingredients? Are you cooking it in a way that preserves its goodness? Or are you falling into traps that can turn this nutritious meal into just another empty bowl of carbs? In today's video, Health Vibes is breaking down the 10 common mistakes people make when eating oatmeal, how these habits affect your body, and, most importantly, how you can fix them for good. But before we get into the mistakes, let's take a moment to answer an important question. Why is oatmeal considered a superfood across all age groups? Some of the benefits might just surprise you. And hey, if this is your first time visiting the Health Vibes channel, welcome to our healthy living community. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip that could change your health for the better. Also, tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country below. We love seeing how far our community stretches. Why oatmeal is a superfood. 1. A heart's best friend. Oatmeal is more than just tasty, it's a legit hero when it comes to heart health. Thanks to a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, oatmeal helps lower your LDL, bad, cholesterol by binding to it in the digestive tract and flushing it out before it enters your bloodstream. It also reduces inflammation and improves blood circulation, keeping your arteries more flexible and reducing the risk of heart disease, strokes, and clogged arteries. Just one bowl a day can make a powerful difference for your long-term cardiovascular health. 2. Packed with soluble fiber. That same beta-glucan fiber we just mentioned? It does even more than lower cholesterol. It slows digestion, helps regulate blood sugar, and feeds the good bacteria in your gut, making oatmeal a triple threat for heart health, stable energy, and a balanced microbiome. 3. Nutrient-dense powerhouse. Oatmeal is a goldmine of essential vitamins and minerals. Magnesium for your muscles, iron for oxygen flow, zinc to power your immune system, and B vitamins to keep your skin, hair, and nails in top shape. And it does all this while staying low in calories. That's what we call a nutrient-rich start to your day. 4. A friend to your digestive system. With both soluble and insoluble fiber, oatmeal promotes regular bowel movements, eases constipation, and helps reduce bloating. Its fiber acts like a gentle broom for your gut, cleaning things out while feeding the good bacteria that keep your digestive system running smoothly. 5. Keeps you full and in control. Trying to manage your weight? Oatmeal's high fiber content slows down digestion, which keeps you feeling full longer. Plus, its low glycemic index helps prevent blood sugar spikes that often lead to cravings. In other words, it keeps you energized and satisfied. No more mindless snacking an hour later. 6. Supports stable blood sugar levels. Especially helpful for people with diabetes or prediabetes, oatmeal slows down carb absorption and stabilizes glucose levels. Pair it with healthy fats or proteins like nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt for even better blood sugar control throughout the day. 7. May lower asthma risk in kids. Introducing oatmeal early in a child's diet may reduce the risk of asthma. Its fiber and nutrients help reduce inflammation in the airways and support overall lung function. Plus, it's gentle on tiny tummies, making it a great early solid food. 8. Nourishes the skin inside and out. You've heard of oatmeal baths for irritated skin, and for good reason. Oatmeal contains avananthramides, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe eczema, rashes, and dryness. And when you eat it, those same antioxidants work from within to fight inflammation and nourish your skin, giving you a natural glow. 9. Antioxidant-rich. Oatmeal is loaded with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. These compounds, like avananthramides, help protect your cells, slow aging, and lower your risk for chronic diseases. 10. Incredibly versatile. Whether sweet or savory, hot or cold, Oatmeal is a blank canvas. Top it with fruits, nuts, nut butters, eggs, or even avocado. Your options are endless. It's quick, customizable, and works for any time of day. Overnight oats, stovetop, microwave, however you like it, oatmeal makes healthy eating easy. Now let's talk about what not to do. You've seen why oatmeal is amazing. But if you're not careful, you could be sabotaging your health goals with one innocent mistake. So here are the top 10 oatmeal mistakes to avoid, and what to do instead. Mistake number 1. Adding too much sugar. We all love a sweet start to the day. But drowning your oats in sugar, syrup, or sweet toppings can cancel out the health benefits and spike your blood sugar. High sugar intake can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and even heart problems over time. Better option. Use natural sweetness, like fresh fruit, cinnamon, or a drizzle of raw honey, to keep your oats both healthy and flavorful. Mistake number 2. Using flavored instant oats. Convenient, yes. Nutritious, not so much. Pre-flavored oatmeal packets are usually loaded with added sugars, artificial flavors, and other additives that your body doesn't need. They also tend to have less fiber than whole or rolled oats, leaving you hungry again soon after. Quick fix. Choose plain oats and add your own healthy mix-ins. It's just as fast and a lot better for you. Mistake number 3. Skipping the protein. Oatmeal is rich in fiber and complex carbs, but it's low in protein. That means if you're eating it alone, you might feel full for a bit, but crash later. Without protein, your blood sugar can spike and then dip, leading to fatigue, hunger, or cravings. Here's the fix. Add protein-rich toppings like Greek yogurt, chia seeds, almonds, eggs, or even a scoop of protein powder. This balances your meal, keeps you full longer, and helps with muscle repair and metabolism. Mistake number 4. Overeating portions. Oatmeal is healthy, but that doesn't mean you can eat a mountain of it and expect magic. Too much of anything, even oatmeal, can lead to excess calorie intake, which might stall your weight loss or cause weight gain. Stick to about 1/2 to 1 cup of dry oats per serving, then build around it with smart toppings and sides. Think nutrient density over volume. Mistake number 5. Not pairing it with healthy fats. If you're eating oatmeal plain, or worse, low-fat everything, you're missing out on fats that help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Fats also help control hunger and support brain and hormone health. Try adding nut butters, flax seeds, walnuts, coconut flakes, or a bit of avocado. These healthy fats supercharge your oatmeal and keep your brain sharp and your belly happy. Mistake number 6. Using water instead of milk, or vice versa. The liquid you choose for your oatmeal makes a big difference. If you cook with just water, you're keeping it low-calorie, but missing out on creaminess and nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. But if you're using whole milk or sweetened plant milks, you could be adding more sugar or calories than you think. Solution. Try unsweetened almond milk, oat milk, or a 50-50 mix of water and milk to get the best of both worlds, taste and nutrition. Mistake number 7. Microwaving it wrong. Yes, the microwave is convenient. But overcooking your oats can break down their nutrients and make them mushy, sticky, or even less filling. Undercooking, on the other hand, can leave them hard and tough to digest. Pro tip: use a microwave-safe bowl, don't overfill it, and stir halfway through. Or, try overnight oats. No heat needed and all the nutrients preserved. Mistake number 8. Ignoring the sodium content. Think your oatmeal is sodium-free? Think again. Some instant oatmeals and flavored packets sneak in sodium as a preservative, which can increase your blood pressure and cause bloating. Check the labels. Anything over 140 milligrams of sodium per serving is considered high. Pro tip: stick to plain oats and flavor them yourself. A pinch of sea salt is okay, but you don't need a ton. Mistake number 9. Adding too many toppings. Berries, bananas, nuts, honey, seeds. They're all healthy, but when you pile them on all at once, you could be looking at 600, 800 plus calories before 9 a.m. Balance is key. Choose one fruit, one healthy fat, and one protein source, and maybe a dash of cinnamon for taste. That way, You get the flavor and nutrients without overloading the bowl. Mistake number 10. Thinking all oats are equal. Steel cut, rolled, quick oats, instant oats, they're not all the same. Steel cut oats are the least processed, digest more slowly, and have the lowest glycemic index. Instant oats are the most processed. They digest quickly and can spike your blood sugar if eaten alone. For best results, choose steel cut or rolled oats and prep them in a way that supports your goals. Overnight oats, stovetop cooking, or slow cooking are all great choices that preserve texture and nutrition. So, how many of these oatmeal mistakes have you made? Don't worry, we've all been there. The key is awareness. A few small tweaks can make your oatmeal not just delicious, but one of the healthiest meals of your day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Vibes, and share it with a friend who loves oatmeal as much as you do. And before you go, tell us in the comments, what do you usually put in your oatmeal? We'd love to hear your favorite combos, and we might feature them in our next video. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy out there.